Hello, what's up, everyone? And hope everyone is doing good, keeping well. Welcome back to my another video, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to share one of my happiness, which I just received at evening after service on the way back home. I just received a video clip from two of my kids, my elder brother's son. Three of them, but the eldest one, left for his boarding stay recently, and two of them unexpectedly sending me a video saying that they wanted to support my YouTube channel grow by uploading their video as well. And then they have sent me a beautiful video clip singing, both of them. And thank you so much to them for sending the video. Very thoughtful, appreciate it. And also, it's something coincidental. I'm not sure whether they did it intentionally or not, but to my surprise, they sent me the video same day, which is today. And guys, today it's my happiest birthday once again, and I'm in early 30s. I'm not going to reveal my exact age, but by God's grace, I'm in my early 30s. This is all I just came to say, and I just wanted to upload the video for them. So I just don't want to upload it bluntly. So I just came to say the purpose and the reason of them sending with lots of love. They have not wished me a happy birthday. I'm doubting that they are not aware that it's my birthday, but they did send the video on the right day, and I'm so happy for the video. And I hope you all enjoy and have fun and show some love after watching the video. And stay tuned in the channel for more updates and for more videos. I'll try to keep the channel active by uploading videos time to time and often. And always take care and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Hi, Naka. Good night, village na. Good morning to good night, wa. One, two, okay. One, two, three. Good morning to good night. Good night to good morning. Bedroom to toilet. Toilet to kitchen. Kitchen to workplace mobile phone. Good morning to good night. Good night to good morning. Bedroom to toilet. Toilet to kitchen. Kitchen to workplace mobile phone. Good morning to good night. Good night to good morning. Bedroom to toilet. Toilet to kitchen. Kitchen to workplace mobile phone. Thank you.